we'll guide you through how to use Wix gift cards efficiently. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Wix website and log in to your account. Once you're in, head over to the dashboard, which is usually on the top navigation bar. From there, locate the Store Products section on the left-hand side menu and click on it. Now, you should see a list of your products. Look for the Gift Cards option and click on it to manage your gift cards. If you haven't set up gift cards yet, you need to click on the Add Product button and then select Gift Card as your product type. You can customize the gift card by adding images, setting different price options, and writing a description that will entice your customers. Once you're satisfied with the setup, click Save or Publish to make it live on your site. If you already have gift cards set up, you can manage them by viewing sales, adjusting settings, or adding new designs. Make sure your gift cards are easily accessible on your online store by adding them to a prominent section of your website, like the homepage or a special offers page. You can also promote them through newsletters or social media to let your customers know they are available. Lastly, ensure you regularly check the analytics to see how well your gift cards are performing, and make adjustments as necessary to boost sales. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.